Hello, my friend. This is Subhas here. And first of all, thank you so much for Access Ministry of Freedom Elite System. And I'm going to talk about what is this Ministry of System. And if you invest money in this program, then you can achieve your goal. You can build proper established online business or not. So I'll give you everything step by step details in my whiteboard and in my system, and I'll walk through member area how this system is work. And first of all, why I create this Ministry of Freedom Elite System, because a lot of people requesting me to explain how Ministry of Freedom work before join. So I know you are serious person and you want to build your online business. You want to learn how to do affiliate marketing proper way, and you want to learn how to launch your own course and how you can make your 10K per month, your 100K per year, and even your $1 million per year. So I'll give you complete walkthrough. This system is really work for you or not. So first module, I'm going to explain how the system work, and second lesson I'll explain about week one what you learn if you're going to access this program. Okay, so first of all, let's explain in my whiteboard how this system work, and if you invest money, then it is worth for you or not. Okay, so let's for examples, your goal like if you are making zero kind of money uh, just today. Okay, and your goal is making like your $100 a day. Okay, like $100 a day. Even your goal is making $200 a day. Okay, and even your goal is making to $1,000 per week. Okay, and even your goal is making five $5,000 uh, per month, and even your goal is making 10K per month. Okay, per week, and even your goal is making 1 million, 1 million 100K, just a minute, 100K year. Okay, so this is your real actual goal which you have set to your bottom, because every person dream to making a lot of money through online business. But really this system, Ministry of Freedom System, is fulfill your dream or not. Did this Ministry of Freedom fulfill your $100 a day, $200 a day, your $1,000 every single week dream or not? And your 5,000 per month make money or not, and even your 10K per month money or not. So I'll give you full walkthrough. So I have joined this program last approximately 12 months ago, and I have been achieving our all goals which I have been set, and I have learned everything. So I know you are already know jono, and let's talk about how the system work. Okay, so MOF. So first week you will learn about week one. Okay, week one you will learn about how you can make your first $100 a day. That is guaranteed if you follow about they talk about mindset. First week, how you can rewire your mind to building established business, because a lot of program or who claim they if you access their program, then they can teach you making like $1,000 10K per month. But seriously doesn't work. So many programs just teaching you how you can make to $100, and even your 1K per month like something. But Ministry of Freedom, first week you will learn and you will get mindset about how you can make your $100 a day. And week two, okay, week two you will learn about all mindset and about list building and everything. So you will learn how you can make at least $200 per day, 200 $300. And week three you will learn about how you can launch, how you can launch your soft launch and soft launch product, and how you can build your buyer list, because building a buyer list is a lot of hard work to require, because you need a money, you need a skill how you can generate a leads. But they will teach you in week number 3 about how you can use those tools, and how you can launch your first mini product, and how you can build approximately 500 and 1k buyer lead, and how you can sell your product. Okay, so this goal is possible. And week 4 week 6 week 4, like they can week 4, like you can use tools, how you can use those tools, because tools is required to every online business. So you will learn on site, I'll walk through everything. So but we are just going to give given all how the system work. And week 6, 5 and 6, you will learn about how you can make your 5k per month guaranteed, because you will learn inside here email marketing and your product launching strategy and your branding strategy inside week 1, week 2, week 3. You will learn just some basics. And week uh, 5, 6, 7, you will learn about branding and how you can launch your product with established online marketers. So you will learn how you can create your product and how you can launch with them. And they already making approximately 100 1k 1k sale, 2k sale. I hope you already know, like Johnson and a lot of people who have establishment there. So Ministry of Freedom, this program already joined a lot of marketer, and they have already success. So you will get partner and you will launch your own course, so you can make your 500k per month, 5k per month. And if you want to make your 10k per month, then they will teach about 8 module about your full launch, how you can launch your big software. Okay, I hope you will see it. So how you can launch your software, because if you want to see how the system work, you can go on manchai.com, and you will see a lot of vendors launching their marketing software, and their email marketing software, making money software, so many software they have been launching. So you will learn proper method how you can launch your own software, and how you can hit your 10k per month. And all those process you will learn within 60 days. You will make your 10k earning, your 10k earning within 16 days. If you follow exact this week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, you will learn everything. Okay, and week 9 here. Okay, week 9 sorry week 9, you will learn paid ads. Like if you want to scale your business, if you want to make a high ticket commission, then you will learn complete paid ads. And they actually have everything done for you. You don't need to create a webinar, you don't need to create their opt-in page. Everything they jono provide their own system. So you can you can replace your affiliate link, and you can run paid ads if you do not want to follow this module number 1, 2, 3. This is basically our organic method to making money. But if you do not want to follow, then you can go with week number 9, where you will learn how you can run paid ads, and how you can make instant affiliate commission, approximately $1,000 a day. If you once you join Ministry of Freedom, after then you should able to promote Ministry of Freedom, and you will make approximately $1,000 for commission, because you will get 80% commission of Ministry of Freedom as an affiliate. Okay, so that is big point. Once you access, then you will learn everything. So, and after then you can launch your 2, 3, 5 software in this just 1 year, and you can hit your 100k per year. So this Ministry of Freedom fulfill your all dream. So I know this is unbelievable, because so many things happen, because so a lot of program just teaching, because you are not making any money. So you cannot view this picture. So I'll give you examples. Like this is a building, okay, and this is the first floor. Okay, this is 0 floor, this is first floor. Okay, This is for floor number 2 and floor number 3 and floor number 4 and floor number 5 and floor number 6, floor number 7, floor number 8, floor number 9. So if you are stand on here and if you stand on here floor number 0, then you cannot view this picture 100k per year. You can see only this view. If once you learn this week number 1, then you can go with you can jump to floor number 1 and you can see this view. Yes, this system is work and you can make your at least $100 a day. And once when your learning is grow and you learn week number 2 all process and you can implement, then you will move through flow number 2, like then you can view this picture. Okay, I hope you understand. And then you can, because if you are on here you cannot see this view. Once you reach out flow number 2, then you can reach out how you can make your $200. And the same process, once you will learn week number 3, then you move to flow number 3, then you can reach out, you can see this view how you can make your $1,000 per week. And once you learn week number 4, 5, 6, and then you can move this, then you can see this picture, and you can move this, you can see this picture. And once you finish this 8-week 9-week training, then you can reach out this follower. Okay, then you can see all view about how you can make, it is called mindset. Okay, okay, so every floor inside member Ministry of Freedom, they have own mindset. So every floor you reach out, you will get a different mindset. This floor is the different mindset, this floor is different mindset, this is the different, this is different, this is different. So all step by step process, once you move, then you can make your, you can achieve your goal. And once your mind get clarity inside how this system work, and you can, if you are achieving this goal or not. Okay, so I hope you understand this Ministry of Freedom system work. And if you want to join, feel free to, I have put in my link below, you can go to and access now. And if you want to know more about this system, then click the link below and go to watch the webinar. And if you want to learn about how the system is work inside member area, then stay with me and click the next lesson. I'll going to member area and show you how you can get week number 1 and week number 2, week number 3, week number 4, week number 5, week number 6, and week number 7. And the 8, week number 8, week number 9, week number just 9-week training program. And let's give you two things is incentive. Once you launch your own course, like if you want to launch your own course, and if you are a beginner, then you don't need you don't have any idea about how the system work and how you can make our money or not. Nobody, jono send traffic to your affiliate link and you will make instant commission. It is called rotator method. You will learn inside week number 1 and 2. I'll explain you week number 1 and 2 where you will get everything. Okay, so click the nation list and you will learn about how the system work if you want to serious and if you want to join this program. Okay, so I hope you understand this process, and if you understand, feel free to comment below and contact me on Skype. And if you want to know more about personally one-to-one with me, then just contact me, text me on Skype and my WhatsApp, and I'll walk through everything in Zoom call. After then you can join. Okay, because I personally want your success, because if you get your success, it is my pleasure, and I feel so much happy once someone gets success through me, through my knowledge, through my help. I'm really happy. Okay, so if you want to go, just go now. And if you want to know more about how you can get big number 1, simply click on. Okay, so thanks for watching this lesson, and I hope you understand and enjoy this lesson. Thank you.